Don't apply for the CFA exam if you want to save your money.
What?
Hear me out properly. If you want to get a CFA scholarship, then do not apply for the CFA exam without watching this video. Because in this video, I'll tell you how to apply for CFA scholarship, what is the procedure for applying it, and what are the eligibility requirements for the scholarship process. And the most important of all, that is your essay application, which will determine whether you are getting the scholarship or not. Also, we're going to be talking about how to write a very good essay for your scholarship proposition. So watch this video till the end. So hello guys, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help students clear FRM CFA SCR exam, and also I am a career coach. And if you are here, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we regularly make good content on finance related concepts that you can never afford to lose. Let us start with today's video. CFA and its fees. First and foremost, let us discuss the fees of the CFA exam. If you are a new candidate registering for the CFA exam for the first time, you will need to pay $350 as a registration fee, which is a one-time fee, and a $940 as an exam fee for each level. That is, which will make it $1,290 in total. And if you get the scholarship, then all your one-time registration fees will be waived off, and your CFA exam fees will be reduced to $300. What are the different types of scholarships that are available from the CFA Institute? Let us talk about the various options available for you and offered by the CFA Institute. In total, CFA offers 5 different types of scholarship. The first one is Access Scholarship. The second one is Women's Scholarship. The third one is Student Scholarship. The fourth one is Professor Scholarship. And the last one is Regulator Scholarship. Access Scholarship is offered for individuals who may not be able to afford the program fee and are not currently registered for any of the CFA exam. The second one is Women's Scholarship, which is offered for women who are interested in earning the CFA charter but do not qualify for any other CFA Institute scholarship. The third one, Student Scholarship. Now this is offered to the students who are currently studying at the university which is currently affiliated with CFA Institute. The fourth one, Professor Scholarship. It is offered to the full-time college university professors or administrators, department heads who teach a minimum number of credit hours at qualified institutions. And the last scholarship is Regulator Scholarship, which is offered to employees of financial regulators, central bank, security commission, qualified stock exchanges, SROs, and government entities. Especially these entities that oversees or regulate operations, standards of practice, or business conduct of the investment management industry, and which have entered into a program agreement with the CFA Institute. But today, we'll be only talking about the Access Scholarship benefit because it is open to all and anyone can apply for it. So let us look at what is the eligibility of the CFA Access Scholarship. The eligibility is pretty much almost simple. Candidates who are applying for this scholarship must meet all program enrollment requirement, and that's all. There is no minimum or maximum income or asset level for scholarship applicants. And the main thing is that candidate must not be registered for the exam ever before because it shows you're able to pay for the fees and now you got to know about the scholarship and you're applying for it. So if you want to apply for the scholarship, then do not register for the CFA exam yet. Let us move to how to write a CFA essay application. This is the most important point, this essay application. This is the only make or break move. Your essay application will decide whether you're getting a scholarship or not. So writing it requires careful consideration, but how to write an effective application for CFA scholarship. And today I'm going to talk about few pointers which can help you. The answer is pretty much simple. Even the CFA Institute already told you what they are looking out for. If you're carefully reading the Access Program Scholarship rules, the CFA Institute has clearly mentioned that their evaluation process and criteria, which can help you to frame the entire essay in a very easy manner. They have stated that the financial needs will be strongly considered and awards may be based on combination of factors like financial need, academic professionals, and other accomplishments of the applicant. Obstacles overcome by the applicant, contribution to the local community, the applicant's interest in pursuing the CFA charter holder, other personal characteristics that indicate that the individual is a strong candidate to receive an Access Scholarship and become a CFA charter holder. And If you write your essay in those criteria, you are good to go. Let me give you a few tips of how you should go ahead writing your essay application. Keep the following points in mind. The first one, if you're a student, highlight your academic achievement. The second, if you're working, mention that your employer does not sponsor the CFA program for its employees. Third, in both cases, you'll have to state that you have financial constraints that will make it very difficult for you to pay the CFA exam fee in full. This part has to be stated in details with income, all different kinds of expenses being elaborated clearly. The figure that you're entering has to be in US dollar. The fourth point, state the importance of CFA charter for you and exhibit your determination to obtaining that charter. The fifth point, adding a couple of references might help, and the best one will be from your professors who can write good recommendations for you. You can use the following format for your reference. The first point, your introduction, which talks about your name, college, company, course, job, etc. around 30 to 40 words. The second, career ambition, both short term and long term. Mention what you are currently doing apart from CFA to achieve that goal, roughly around 50 to 60 words. The third point, how will CFA help in achieving your goal? Mention the benefits of doing CFA for you and your community, 30 to 40 words. The fourth point, why do you need this scholarship? Mention 2-3 strong reasons, 30 to 40 words. Fifth, why do you deserve the scholarship? Mention your academic or professional achievement, 30 to 40 words. And then the sixth one, which is the ending note, roughly 20 to 30 words. Hope this video will be helpful for your entire CFA journey. And if you have any further queries regarding the CFA scholarship, make sure you ask us in the comment box. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and share it with your friends who are also preparing for the CFA exam. So that's all for today, guys. We'll come up with more such exciting videos for your help.